Oh my God, this is beautiful. I haven't been here since this whole place was torn up. We had just finished the project, the patio, the louvered roof, absolutely gorgeous. And the magic at night, you guys gotta check this out. So all about details, right? We did a large format paver down here, herringbone. We put the lights into the patio, which is super, super cool. They've got the hot tub over there, tucked away, but still part of the party. Big table here, lots of friends, table for 10. Lounge area, high top table, cocktails, right? And then look at this raised patio. We do a lot of raised patios because it's appropriate with the height and the elevations in this backyard. Louvered roof, it's the bomb, right? This is the outdoor living room that everybody loves and enjoys and wants. We've got the heaters, the ceiling fans. This closes, you're good to go from the rain. So 10 months a year, no rain days. Look at this beautiful kitchen. Cake, wine. So this is our aluminum-based kitchen. We custom fabricate this. The black texture is just killer, really durable. And then we've got the full suite of Blaze appliances. We've got the drink station here. You can have your bottles, your mixers, all your fruit and everything. They got a pizza oven set up here, leathered granite finish on here, which is absolutely killer. This just complements the home perfectly. And then we've got our signature fire table here. So big fire table, we oversized granite so you can put dishes and you can put drinks and have wine and just have a great time here. So this is a great place to sit around. Heaters, like I said, if it's cold out here, turn the heaters on. It could be 40 degrees outside and it's perfect. And then have the TV set up over there. And one of the things with this project was we didn't want to take up too much of the backyard. It's not a huge backyard. We wanted to keep it condensed to the house, right? As part of the house, another room, the living room. And this setup here, they can have 25, 35 people over and everybody's comfortable, everybody's at the party, great flow from one end to the other. And they did a beautiful job planting it and everything. Really came out absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Check us out, follow, like, see you in the next video.